Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to explain to you why your watch hour is reducing. You know that to get monetized you need 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers within a year. Like your 4,000 watch hour must be completed within the range of 365 days. If you didn't meet up, watch hours that you have accumulated would be removed and you have to restart again. So this is why your watch hour is reducing. Like the videos that you have posted that has reached 365 days, the watch hour that you accumulated from those videos would be removed if you didn't meet up within that year. If YouTube is still recommending your old videos to your new subscribers, so the more they watch it, the more the watch hour would still be reducing. So this is what you have to do. You have to go to your dashboard.
So when you get to your YouTube dashboard, scroll down, you are going to see customization icon. Click on it and it will take you to profile, home tab and all of that. So click on this home tab here. When you click on it, you're going to see this button beside home tab. It has to be on. You must on it. If you don't on it, you are not going to see all this layout for you videos and all of that. So when you click on you're going to see layout, and beside it you would see add section. When you click on this add section, you're going to see all this channel trailer, spotlight, for you videos, popular videos, shorts, live now, past live, upcoming live and all of that. So here you have to click on the one that you want YouTube to recommend for people when they open your channel. The moment people click on your channel, when they open it, the home tab, it will be like your home, how you decorate it, what you want people to see. Immediately they open your home is what we are going to customize here. And this is where you get a chance to put your most recent videos. When you put out your most recent videos here, the watch hour would stay long before the end of the 365 days. So that is why it is advisable to set this particular place up. Like this, my channel, now you're going to see the videos, short videos, past live and all of that. So when you open my channel, these are the videos that you're going to see first. So you're going to set it up according to how you want it. Under the for you, add the videos that you're supposed to add. Under the videos, add the videos that you're supposed to add. Under the shorts, add the shorts. Just make sure that all the ones that you are adding are your most recent videos, and create playlist. Put your most recent videos under that playlist and use it here. Suggest it here. Do you get? So when you do all of this, your watch hour is not going to be reducing anyhow again, and it's going to stay for as long as possible. And after that, click on publish and you are done.
If you don't customize it, YouTube would still be recommending your old videos. But if you on this home tab, then you are going to select what you want to do. You are going to select the videos that you want YouTube to recommend, and of course you are going to choose your recent videos. You get? So as time goes on, when people are watching it, your watch hour would still be there because they are your new videos. So that those old videos that you have done would not be YouTube would not be recommending it to people again. So this would help you a lot. And thank you so much for watching, and I love you.